Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Thursday, February 6th. We've got some light snow flurries out there early this morning, and those could continue off and on throughout primarily the morning, but even into the afternoon. We could see some snowflakes flying. No real major accumulation expected from that. If we see a heavy burst, maybe a half an inch or so. Drying out, clouds remain for much of the night tonight. We may see some sunshine tomorrow, a high of 33 degrees tomorrow. Again, mostly cloudy, but maybe a few glimpses of that sunshine. It's 25 degrees as we get the day started here in Champaign-Urbana, mid-20s elsewhere across central Illinois. So you look at the satellite picture, Champaign-Urbana is right about here. We'll get that going into motion. That's not going to play for us. There we go. Now the satellites move in. And again, you can see the jet stream continuing to dig in. That big trough right here, strong jet stream winds driving that storm system. Plenty of cloud cover and precipitation off to our south. So you look at the radar here early this morning, Champaign-Urbana right there. We do, again, have some very light snow flurries as the backside of this storm system continues to work its way through the area. Those flurries can continue off and on throughout the morning and then into the afternoon, with just a little bit of added accumulation possible. So here's Champaign County. We'll look at the high-resolution NAM model. Again, watching these flurries continue off and on through the day today as the storm system moves slowly off to our east. We're then going to watch a little clipper system come swinging in Friday night into Saturday morning. That could bring a little bit of light snow again to the area, some light flurries, maybe a light coating or a dusting. If we hit the jackpot with this one, it's going to be a very light snow producer moving through again late Friday night into Saturday morning, probably when most of us are asleep. Maybe, again, just one of those situations where we wake up to a light dusting on Saturday morning. Now, the jet stream is going to stay very active as we head through the next week, so we are not quite done with the precipitation as we talk about the next 7 days. Champaign-Urbana right about there. We'll continue to watch this loop. The big trough, the strong jet stream winds racing across the area. Again, a trough to our west. That's an active pattern, an active precipitation pattern for us here in central Illinois. So where are we headed then into the weekend? Well, we're going to go back to this pattern that's going to feature clippers, again, coming out of the northwest. That's when it's going to bring the chance for some light snow Friday night into Saturday. Let me put Champaign-Urbana right back on there, because as we head into early next week, we're going to watch a trough kind of break off across the Yucatan here, across the desert southwest, before kind of racing back into the area. And this looks an awful lot like what we're dealing with right now. The potential for another major storm system across the middle section of the country as we get into Wednesday and Thursday of next week. What does that look like on the precipitation forecast? Well, once again, we'll go ahead and mark Champaign-Urbana right about there. The backside of this storm system making its way out over the next 12 to 18 hours. Here's that chance for some light snow flurries Friday night into Saturday morning. As we head through the day on Sunday, another storm system quickly moves off to the north, bringing some snow to the upper Midwest, some light rain showers to our area on Sunday. And then we're quiet Monday and Tuesday as the next storm system really begins to build out toward the southwest and then lift into the central plains in the Midwest. Precipitation probably begins on Wednesday of next week. Again, we're looking way out into the future, 6 days out into the future, but this is looking like a Wednesday, Thursday storm system here in the Midwest, one that's going to bring potentially a lot of snow to the northern plains in the upper Midwest. Does not look like a snow producer here in central Illinois. It would take a drastic change, which I don't anticipate right now. This is just purely going to be a rain producer here in central Illinois. I would honestly say we have a better chance of hearing thunder out of this one than we do seeing any accumulating snow. We'll continue to watch the impacts here and talk about maybe the potential for some heavy rain with the system again. But with the current look, the heavy snow going to be well off to the northwest of this storm system. It's going to be almost certainly a rainmaker here in central Illinois. So we'll look at the 5-day forecast then. Some sunshine tomorrow, a high of 33. That chance of some snow flurries overnight into Saturday morning. Mostly cloudy Saturday, a chance of some rain showers Sunday, quiet Monday and Tuesday. Then we got trouble here as we get to Wednesday and Thursday, the potential for some heavy rain. That is my black rain cloud with a little bit of a green rain coming out of it, just to let you know what to expect on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. This active pattern continues.